Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to identify anything with your iPhone 17. Here in the iPhone 17 we have something called Visual Intelligence and Search. So how to use it? At first you can use it with the screenshots, your screen. You don't have to take a screenshot. At first you need to open your application and hold this bar at the bottom with your finger. If it works, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I don't really like this gesture because, as you can see, it shows me that I tap it, but it's lagging. But we have to do something like this. Wait a moment. Maybe I'll try with another finger. Here, now it's enabled, and what we have to do now, for example, let me ask translate this to Polish and send it. Now send, because it will work with ChatGPT. And now we have to wait. Here, as you can see, we have our note translated into the Polish. So this is the first thing. The second thing is that when we open settings and scroll down to the camera, we'll find camera control. Tap it and scroll the way down to the launch of Visual Intelligence present hold. Enable it, and now hold the camera button. Now, as you can see, we have our Visual Intelligence, and let me, for example, take a photo of my SIM card ejector right here. Now we have two ways. The first way is to ask ChatGPT what it is. Tap Ask right here. Here, as you can see, this is a SIM card ejector, and it told me that this is true. Now we can take the same picture and wait a moment, because it detected my plant, not my SIM card. And here tap Search. Now, as you can see, SIM card ejectors are here, and that's how it works. Goodbye.